Hey guys, it's Chapman beautyriotx, and today we are doing a Get Ready With Me, featuring new shit that I've gotten in subscription boxes, or hauls, or stuff I found at Marshall's. Alright, so we're gonna start with eyes as usual, and I have three palettes I wanna kind of dip into. I have a Profusion palette that reminds me of the Kat Von D Lolita palette that she has out. I don't have that palette, but this one, like, is totally reminiscent of it. I don't actually know what the name of this is, but I'll write it on the screen when and if I find it. It just says the 7 shade multi-finish eyeshadow palette, but come on, like, look how pretty this is. It's got that really pretty, like, mauve-y pink tone to it. And I mean, these are just whew. And then I found two BH Cosmetics collab palettes, or not collab, one's a collab palette, one's not. This is the Marvycorn by Marvin Magnificent and BH Cosmetic palette. It's a 13 shadow and highlight palette. Super cute. It's got some mattes, shimmers in it, and the Royal Affair 20 color shadow palette. This one looks really, really cute. So I'm just gonna dip into all of them today, and I'm gonna use some brushes that I just got too. I have already used them, but I'm just so obsessed with them. So I order a lot of makeup from this site called Camera Ready Cosmetics. This isn't sponsored, they don't know who I am. Camera Ready Cosmetics, I'll link it in the box below, it's not an affiliate link. And they carry Bdellium tools, which is a brush brand. Now, a few months ago, I got this SL Miss Glam SB68 brush in an Ipsy. And I made fun of it because it came in like a plastic wrap that looked like what you would get if you ordered food and like a plastic fork and knife came in it, like one of those plastic wrappers. And I made fun of it. Well, this ended up being one of my favorite brushes of all time. Well, I ordered a few brushes from Bdellium tools from Camera Ready Cosmetics, and they are the 788 BDHD Phase 3 Golden Triangle brush and the Maestro 788 BDHD brush. But they have these weird shapes to where, I don't know if you can see, they're rounded on this side and then flat here. So it's almost like finger shaped. It's really weird. But these are perfect for patting shit on your eyes. So I've been using these like crazy together. Now these look very similar in size, but the way they're packed, like the bristles, are very different. So I can do a whole look with these three brushes. I can do a whole look with just this one brush, but I'm kind of gonna dabble with all three today. All right, let's get into it. I don't really know what kind of look I'm gonna do, but since I'm going in with this, I'm most likely gonna do a look that's gonna be similar to this. So here we go. Already primed my eyes. The lightest matte shade right here. It's no secret, I really like Profusion, and I like it even more when I find stuff at TJ Maxx because an already brand is even cheaper there, so that's always fun. Go back in with the same brush, and I'm gonna go in with the Marvycorn, which is the weirdest name, but I'm gonna go in with this matte pink right here. That song, I can't get it out of my head. The Jonas Brothers song slash video Sucker, because I think it's beyond fucking adorable that they have all their girlfriends and wives in the video with them. I have to swatch this because I don't think I'm gonna use it today because I have other things, but oh, oh my god, that is the most beautiful rose gold color ever. Wow. Oh, it's just as gorgeous as I wanted it to be. Oh, that is so beautiful. Oh my god. Oh, thank you God. Thank you God so much. I might actually just go find more of these just for that fucking color. Holy shit. All right, I'm gonna shut up now. All right, I'm gonna go into the Royal palette right here, and I'm gonna go in with Regal. I'm gonna use my SL Miss Glam. None of these palettes were over $8, okay? Just let that sink in for a second. And I mean, really, none of these palettes are usually that expensive anyway, but still, it's still exciting finding a good, cheap palette for even cheaper than it should be. I did not expect this color to be as, like, red as it is, or at least that it looks. Weird. Actually, I'm gonna go in with this shade right here, and I'm gonna blend the edges of that color we just did. I'm actually just gonna put Regal again all over the lid because I wanna finish it with sparkle shade all over. I'm actually gonna go off camera. I'm gonna put my foundation on. Be right back. Foundation and concealer is done. Now we're gonna go in with cream contour, and I'm gonna use the, again, I found these at Marshall's. It comes with two double-ended highlighter contour sticks and a double-ended brush, which I will not use because I don't want to destroy the rest of my face. So these have no stickers on them, so I don't know what's what. So we have a contour stick on this side and another, okay, on this side. They both seem to be not shimmery, so that's good. And okay, so we have a shimmer here and an even lighter contour here. Or maybe this is like a conceal, I don't know. Okay, so, oh, that's a very nice gold highlighter. Maybe a tad too gold. I'm pretty sure I got the shade like fair medium. Like, I think that was what was on the box. All right, this looks a little bit more, okay. I'm gonna go in with the lighter one first and see how it blends out. Oh, that's a little too light. Let's just see how it blends out though. Nothing, okay. This is like a mapley kind of shade. This is very, very warm. Not horrible though. Not too hard to blend out, but I mean, it's literally just like a subtle shadow. And it doesn't feel particularly like creamy. Like it feels like it's tugging on my skin, but it's not crazy hard to blend out. But I don't see much when I blend it out. Maybe you can see like I can see a shadow on the viewfinder. Not so much on this side. Anyway, all right, great, okay. Everybody knows nowadays you can find the Stila glitter liquid shadows at Marshall. So I did, I found this for $7.99. I'm not that asshole who will open stuff and swatch it. I swatched it when I got in the car. This is in the shade Into the Blue. Now look how pretty this is. Like, holy shit. All right, so I'm just gonna go right in on top of my shadow and put this on and hope that it works. And yes, I'm using these like hairpins to hold any strays up. I'm gonna zoom in one more time and we are going to paint this on my lid. Luckily, these dry pretty fast, so that's good. I mean, the color's not horrible, it's not bad, but it's just not what I was hoping for a little bit more of a blue shade. Maybe I was just hoping for a little bit more opacity. Is that the word, opacity? Doesn't sound right. I'm always weary to put down liquid shadows on top of like concealer bases because I don't want it to turn into like a pasty mess. All right, now let's finish the face. So now from Revolution, I have Revolution Pro, which is Makeup Revolution's like arm of a brand. We have the powder foundation and the skin finish. This has a luminance to it, and this is like a matte finish. Now automatically I want to go for the luminance, but it's like a soft highlighter. Do you see this? Like it might be too much of a like this would, I'm scared to put it on. I'm also scared to put this on because this is very matte, but it's like high cover. All right, God, I don't know what to do. I never do like very matte, so maybe I'll just shut up and do this. I'm just gonna shut up and do it. And I have the shade F6. I ordered this from their European website, like their home brand website. Their home website, not their home brand, what am I saying? Not too scary, but I have a feeling that if you put this on with like a sponge, it would be a bit high coverage. Right now it's kind of like light to medium, but very, very matte. If you're very oily, you might love this. Like, do you guys see how matte I am right now? Whew, it's very matte, okay. And it's not necessarily bad, but just not something I usually go towards. All right, so now we're gonna go in and bronze and blush. And I'm gonna use the Cover FX. This is the Perfector face palette. I got this in light medium from BoxyCharm this month. And we're gonna use the contour in that to bronze with. This looks like a pretty good neutral, like doesn't look particularly warm or like gray toned, like just looks like a nice medium. Ooh, I am very, very matte looking, yikes. Okay. All right, I'm gonna use this blush because this blush reminds me of California. It's gorgeous. I'm gonna use my Morphe E4 brush. This is my favorite blush brush. Warm my face up a little bit. Oh, that's very pretty, wow. That was a lot of blush, yikes. Okay, so far with the bronzer, contour, and the blush, so far so good. I did swatch like the highlighters in this and they're very pretty, but I'm not gonna use them today because I have other things to use. So let me finish my brows, my lashes, and under my eyes, and I'll come back and we'll finish the rest of the new stuff that we have. So I'll be right back. All right, everything is done. I have 2 products left, both new. I have a liquid highlighter from, again, Make Revolution Pro. This is the Illuminator in the shade Famous. And I also have from LA Girl Glitter Magic Shimmer Shifting Lip Color. I'm pretty sure it's like the Ciate London like glitter flip lips that like you let dry, it's kind of matte, and then every time you press your lips together, it like shimmers more. So we're gonna give that a go. So on with the liquid highlighter. And we're not even gonna be careful, we're just gonna, well, we're gonna be careful and we're gonna do this fast because I don't know how long this takes to dry. Okay, it dries kind of fast. Okay, let's keep that in mind. I'm gonna add a little more. We're gonna add a little more. And I'm gonna use my finger because that's not helping. Oh no, I've made it worse. Oh God. All right, I'm just gonna go with my finger. Oh, see, that's much better, kind of. All right, I'm not gonna say anything until I'm done because I'm just jinxing myself. Oh, okay. Okay, beautiful with your finger, horrible with a beauty blender. Let's just remember that. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh my God. That is not. All right, I'm gonna try this one more time and I'm gonna use my finger to see if I can fix this somehow. Oh, no, I can't fix it. I'm just gonna pretend that it looks okay. Just gonna pretend. So I'm a big fucking mauve mess, so I figured let's just go on with it. So we have, this shade is Ravishing, and it looks like a fuchsia shade with purple periwinkle glitter in it. So, you know what, let me look up the directions to make sure I don't fuck this up. Apply to top and bottom of lips, let dry completely, press lips together. Oh, you need oil to remove it, so just keep that in mind. And this retails for $5.49. All right, so we don't actually know how long it takes to dry, but we're gonna say. Oh, that color is gorgeous. Doesn't go with the rest of my makeup, if that's okay. It's very opaque too, like it's not streaky or anything, wow. And the Ciate London one was like 20 bucks. This is actually going on metallic, so I don't know how much more sparkly it's going to get. And I'm sorry, I know I always cover up my lips when I'm applying it on camera, but it's the only way I can apply it. And just be aware, this is, you're totally gonna get butthole lip with this, so. Oh my God, that's gorgeous though. Like, you don't even need to put your lips together. This is just gorgeous, wow. I'm intrigued to see what it's going to do. I'm gonna shut up and let it dry. Like, look how pretty that color is, oh my God. I don't even mind that it doesn't match the rest of my face. I mean, not that anything really matches. I have blue and pink fucking eyes. Jesus Christ. Oh, it's dry. Okay. Did you do anything? Oh, I mean, it's getting golder, I think. This is so fun. Like I said, it's already glittery, so I mean, but it's also $5.49, so you can't be too pissed. This is so pretty. Oh my God. Like, I'm gonna zoom you in. Look how pretty this is. Look at that shine. Oh my God. I think this is prettier than the Ciate version. Oh my God. It might not have even did much when I'm pushing my lips together, but I'm gonna order a few more of these in different shades because this is so cute. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Okay, this alone just made this video worth it. This has been sitting in my drawer too for like months. Okay, I'm gonna order a few more. Like usual, I list everything that I use in the box below. Okay, this highlighter is gorgeous if you use your finger. What do you guys think? Did you like anything specific? Do you think I look insane? Because I definitely do. All right, so that was it. And until next time, I will see you guys later. Bye.